guys, I'm Yoko. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook brown rice with corn. This is my favorite summer dish that I make on repeat. This is going to be a great side dish that brings the summer to the table. In this video, I'm gonna show how to cook perfect brown rice with rich and sweet corn aroma infused, and how to make buttered soy sauce rice using cooked corn brown rice. I have a video all about how to cook perfect brown rice. So if you are interested in cooking brown rice in general, please check that out. So let's dive into the recipe. I'm gonna start with washing and soaking brown rice. I'm gonna scoop out 3 cups of brown rice into a bowl. Make sure to level the rice because the water to rice ratio matters. And I'm gonna wash the rice a few times. I recommend to use filtered water for the first wash because at this point rice is super dry and absorb the flavor of the water the most. I'm gonna wash it, drain it, and repeat a few times. I'm gonna use regular tap water from the second wash. After washing the rice 3 times, I'm gonna add plenty of water in the bowl and let it soak for overnight. If you don't have a time to wait, soaking for 30 minutes will also help. So meanwhile, let's prepare the fresh corns. Corns are sweetest, yummiest in summer. I'm gonna remove the corn kernels from the cob. For that, into a bowl, I'm gonna place the small bowl upside down. This is going to be a small stage for corns to settle. Gently place the corn onto the small bowl, and I'm gonna slice corn kernels off the cob with my knife. Please be careful. So in this way, you can easily remove the kernels from the cob. It's more stable if you put corn vertically to the bowl. Once all the corns are nicely removed, let's get back to the rice, and I'm gonna drain the rice. So now into a pot, I'm going to add soaked and drained 3 cups of brown rice, corn kernels from 2 corns that I just cut it off from the cob, 4 cups of water. I'm using less water than when I just cook brown rice because the corn will release really sweet and flavorful juice. Then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of sake. Sake adds umami to the dish and also enhances the overall flavor. Sake is made by fermenting the rice, so it goes very well with the rice dish. And don't worry, all the alcohol is gonna cook it off. And at the last but not least, I'm gonna add corn cobs into the pot. Cobs are packed with intense flavor and nutrients, so I'm gonna cook the rice with cobs to infuse all the flavor. So let's move to the stove top, and I'm gonna start to cook over the low to medium heat. If you are in rush, you can start with high heat, but starting slowly with the key to extract all the flavor. Once it starts to boil, I'm gonna sprinkle a pinch of salt and cover with the lid and turn the heat to medium to high, letting the boiling water circulating the rice inside. Once the steam starts to escape from the side of the lid, I'm gonna turn the heat to low and keep on cooking for 30 minutes. Once the cooking time is over, remove from the heat. I'm going to set this aside and let it steam for 10 more minutes with the lid on. And after the steaming, it's time to enjoy. Make sure to remove the cob before you eat. They just not taste good. I'm going to flip the rice upside down to even out the moisture. And if the water circulation properly occurred in the pot, the corn kernel should be evenly distributed already. This rice tastes amazing just as it is, or you can eat as a side with any dish to add the summer flavor to the table. Today, I'm gonna serve my rice with Japanese-style seafood curry, which I meal prepped the other day. This corn rice would be perfect side dish for any curry. For the garnish, I just saute the summer veggies, and I'm gonna top it off my curry with them. The curry is the dish I eat very often throughout the year, but changing the rice or naan bread to this corn rice brings summer flavor to my regular meal. So if you batch make this corn brown rice, how about take an extra step and make a buttered soy sauce corn rice? This is very indulgent and rich from vegan butter, and charred flavor of soy sauce and has the sweetness of corns. So for this, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vegan butter to my hot heated skillet. Let it all melt. You can also use regular butter if you are not vegan. And I'm gonna add 2 cups of corn brown rice. Let's give it a good stir to coat the rice with butter. Once rice gets warm and nicely coated with butter, I'm gonna make a well in the center and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm gonna cook the soy sauce first and then mix with rice. Now let's mix, and it's time to serve. So for the finishing touch, I'm going to add this roasted seaweed snack. I'm going to tear nori sheet in smaller pieces and sprinkle over my rice. You can also use regular nori sheet. This nori sheet product is packed with umami flavor so that this adds depth to the dish. So I'm going to serve myself with generous scoop of rice and enjoy. This is rich and indulging but yet simple to make, so enjoy the summer flavor. The brown rice with corn is my favorite summer dish that I make on repeat. So I hope you're gonna grab the corns at supermarket, farmer's market, which is peak season right now, and give this recipe a try. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!